What's going on, thrill seekers? This is Cam Hilliard from Miller's RV in Baton Rouge, and today I want to tell you guys about an offer that we have on the 2023 Winnebago Revel. We've got some great factory incentives that allow us to sell this thing at a much more affordable price than we normally can. So for $12.10 a month with 10% down, Tier 1 approved credit, plus tax on license, this can be yours. So guys, this is a fantastic adventure van. It's ready to go. It's upgrade ready, so you can keep it as it is. You can upgrade, you can do whatever you want with it. This thing will go where you need it to go. Today I'm going to give you my top 3 favorite things about it, tell you why I love it. So my number one thing is just the overall look of this van. This thing is sweet. I love the tan paint job. I love this. It looks like bed liner. They call it Raptor coating. Basically bed liner. It just looks sick. I really love it. They've got it on this exterior window part here too. Overall look is just sweet. So that is without a doubt my number one favorite thing about this. 2 and 3 are going to be inside, so let's jump in there. Okay guys, so my number 2 favorite thing about this Revel is going to be the gear garage behind me. All in all, the ruggedness of it just makes this gear garage very usable. So you've already got this rugged, kind of like medical style flooring, easy to clean. It'd be great, you put bike tires on it if you want to like load a dirt bike up in here too, you'd be fine to do that. So I love the versatility of this. And I love that the bed, this still counts as my number 2. I love that the bed raises and lowers with the push of a button. So it makes it really usable. If you're not using the gear garage, lower the bed really easy. You don't have to really do any manual labor. So I love that. My number 3 is just going to be the off-road capability of this thing. So it is a 4-wheel drive. You do have 4 high, 4 low on this, and 2 high as well, obviously. Also, you're going to have 320 amp hour lithium batteries. So you can run your air conditioner on this while off the grid, just off your batteries. Also, I love the fact, again, going to that off-grid capability, that all your tanks are inside of this van. So you can take this thing to Alaska, you can take it to Banff, you can take it wherever you want, and you're going to be just fine, whether it be the summer or the winter. So the usability of this is great. It's super easy to drive. Whole thing is less than 20 feet, so you can get in and out really anywhere you want. This van is awesome, guys. Again, for $12.10 a month with 10% down with approved credit, Tier 1, plus tax on a license, this can be yours. I would love to take you guys for a drive in this. If you want to come check out a time to see it, ask for me. I'd love to help you guys, and as always, enjoy the journey. Hey there, thanks for watching this video. So we want to remind you again to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your post notifications so we can keep you updated with the best that the RV industry has to offer. If you want to stick around and watch some more videos, we've got a link for 2 videos here. So we'd love for you to stay and look at that. And if there's anything else that you want us to do videos on, leave comments. Thanks guys, enjoy the journey.